Many municipalities and Hampton Roads have regulations in place related to the maintenance of grease traps. This short video explains how to properly clean small grease control devices that are under 50 gallons per minute. Regular maintenance and cleaning of your grease trap is very important. Frequent cleaning means fewer odors, longer trap life, and fewer clogs or backups. Not to mention, the more often you clean your grease trap, the easier it will be. You'll want to develop a strict cleaning schedule and stick to it. It's recommended that you do the cleaning after hours or during a time when your establishment is not busy. Make sure to check with your city or county's utility department to get the appropriate documentation needed for recording each grease trap cleaning. Many localities require you to keep these maintenance logs on site. Before you begin, these are the tools you'll need: a large trash can, 2 or 3 heavy-duty trash bags or a sealable container like a 5-gallon bucket with a lid, an absorbent material like kitty litter or floor dry, which you can pick up at an auto parts store. You'll also need the following proper hand tools and safety equipment: a wrench, screwdriver, or small pry bar to open the trap, rubber gloves, and safety glasses. If you're sensitive to odors, a mask or respirator could also come in handy. For measuring and removing the contents of the grease trap, you'll need a ruler, a scoop of some type for removing the water and solids, a putty knife or scraper, a wet-dry vacuum, and paper towels or cloth rags. If this is the first time you're cleaning the trap, refer to the installation manual if it's available for disassembly of the unit. When you're ready to begin cleaning, start by making sure your work area is clear. First, line the trash can with garbage bags and add the absorbent material into the lined trash can. This will soak up the water and liquid waste, making it easier and safer to transport the waste to the dumpster after cleaning. Turn fasteners counterclockwise to loosen and carefully remove the lid of the grease trap without damaging the gasket. Carefully observe how the internal parts are installed because you'll have to reinstall them after cleaning. Using the ruler, measure the depth of the total contents of the grease trap, floating grease, and settled solids in the trap. Use these measurements to calculate what percentage of the grease trap's total volume of grease and solids and record your findings on your maintenance log. To get the percentage, add the measurement of the grease and solids, divide this number by the total contents of the grease trap. Remember, the grease trap should be cleaned out completely when 25% of its volume is grease and settled solids. For many food service establishments, that means a minimum of once a week. Some jurisdictions have ordinances requiring a minimum cleaning of once a week or more frequent cleaning if the volume is greater than 25%. Next, begin removing contents of the grease trap by scooping and/or vacuuming the waste products from inside of the trap. Empty contents into the trash bag or sealable container. Remove all contents until the grease trap is completely empty. Do not use hot water, degreasers, or soaps to clean the interior of the trap. Scrape all the inside walls, baffles, and screens to ensure water will move freely through the unit. Now that the unit has been thoroughly cleaned, inspect the condition of the tank, baffles, and all removable parts. If necessary, have any damaged parts repaired or replaced. Reassemble the grease trap, making sure all internal parts are in their proper place. Examine the rubber gasket for damage and replace if necessary. And clean and reinstall the gasket and reposition the lid on the tank. Ensure all screws and hold downs are in place and properly tightened. You're almost done. Now make sure there's enough absorbent material in the trash bag to soak up the liquids. Add more if needed. Securely tie the bag closed or secure the lid on the container so that it doesn't leak. Place the bag or sealed container in the garbage dumpster or designated receptacle. Remember, it's illegal to dump grease trap or kitchen waste into the sanitary sewer system, storm drains, ponds, or any outdoor areas. Always dispose of this waste responsibly. For more information on proper disposal of fats, oils, and grease in commercial kitchens or in your own kitchen, please visit AskHRGreen.org.